welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay and you guys are watching 25 DIYs of Christmas. Alrighty, to start on our JOJO bows, I'm going to use some ribbon, some elastics, some regular hair ties, and some scissors. And that is really all you need. I got this boutique ribbon from Hobby Lobby, which is super cute. I got 2 bows out of this because it's kind of thick and it has like glitter all over it, so it's a little bit shorter than regular ribbon. With the other ribbons I have here, I got a few more bows out of them. So I just started by cutting the entire roll in half and then in half again, and that will give me enough for 2 JOJO bows. Now these are inspired bows, they're not JOJO bows. So I'm just gonna take the one piece and fold it so that it overlaps by about 1.5 inches. And then I'm just going to kind of accordion it back and forth and put 2 elastics around the center and then kind of pop the outsides of the bow out so they have more volume. Then we're going to do that again to the other piece until we have 2 of those. And then we're going to kind of make an X with them, but not completely an X, kind of just stagger them. I don't know the words I need for this, but I'm just going to take another piece of ribbon and tie it in a knot around these 2 so it holds them together. This will also secure both of those ribbons, but I'm going to slide in a hair tie before I completely knot it, and I can tie it a couple times just to make sure that it's extra secure. And then I'm just going to cut off the extra of the ribbon, and you've got your JOJO bow. And I'm going to make a couple more in holiday themed, and these are super fun and super easy.